What's up, people? Welcome back to Rhys King's Game Channel. I'm Rhys King, as always, and I said that too fast, too damn fast. But anyway, welcome back to Rhys King's Game Channel. I'm Rhys King, as always, and today we're back on DeadBolt. Well, I say back on, this is meaning first time on DeadBolt. Yeah, DeadBolt, dead. Too many dead things. Deadpool, DeadBolt, whatever, son. But anyway, this looks pretty cool. I want to give it a go. See it pop up on Steam this week, and I have seen it floating around the Intertron for the last sort of like, I don't know, few months as a thing that is coming out. So I would like to have a go. Let's get in. Let's give it a go. New game. All right. Another night. All right. All right. So this is how we do stuff. Okay. So we can go up. Nice. I like the way that looks. How do I? Oh. And then. Whoa, that was a lot more violent than I was expecting. Okay. You dead now, son. Oh, God, this is awesome. Okay. So do what? Oh. Yeah, I died. Okay, cool. Let's try it again, shall we? E to pick up. And then what is it? Oh, I see. Yes, I see now. Okay, you can throw these into people. Knock, motherfucker. You are deader than a dead dude. Oh, hang on. I'm going up the wrong one. Right, okay. I missed. Oh my god, I am great at this game. Go up and then down. Freak him out a little piece. Ooh, hey guys, I am here. Woo! Now come down here and I'll fucking. And you. Yeah, you're dead. You're dead. Right, let's take that. Why not? How do I shoot then? Oh, I see. Oh! That's fucking sweet. Okay, let's continue. This game may well go up there in some of my favourite games. Where's that? Oh, what? E to enter vent. Oh, whoa. Dude. Okay, and then we enter into the house like that. That is fucking sweet. Knock. Where can we go now? Yes. And knock. You dead? You dead? And you dead. Great news! No. Bollocks. Alright. Let's do that again, shall we? Down, cross, up, poop. As we fly out of there. What have we got weapon-wise here? Alright, knock. Bang. Do we have a weapon? He didn't have a weapon. Fuck it. Okay, we're going to go down, across and into this room. We're going to grab this, which just so happens to be a gun of some sort. Hey, buddy. Anyone else want to come? You want sham, son? You want sham? Come back down, buddy. Oh, fuck! I shot the floor instead of the guy! Right, okay. Come on, Rhys. Wakey. Let's deadbolt this up correctly. Okay, so we're going to do like this. Like, little knocky. Hi. Boom! Slap you like a little bitch that you are! God lord, you needed a good slap. Boom. And we could grab this. I think we're going to come down here like this, actually. Then I think we should go like this, up here. And then I think we should trick these guys. Knock. Boom. Oh, I run out of fucking ammo! How many rounds? Oh, it tells me up behind my head. Good. Fuck you, SA. Because now you're dead, I can continue with my life. Alright, continuing. Dead simple. 5 kills. 5 kills. Actually, 58%. Quite shit, actually. Headshots, quite terrible, actually. Rank, fairly terrible, actually. Let's continue. Okay. Right. Noisy neighbour. I guess this is the next one. You look like a fracking zombie. Oh, zombie kings. Zombie kings? Don't think so. Hey, buddy. How you doing? No. Motherfucker slap! Motherfucker slap! Motherfucker slap! These fools do not know what they're in for, do they? Hey? Where can we go in events, actually? Ooh. Maybe we're just going to stay here for a minute. I quite like this idea. Unless we do this. Can we be super cheeky? I have a feeling that I might have seen something about this, so let's just... Hey, buddy. You need the loo? You should get in that loo. Come on, sit on the loo. He's not going to do it, is he? Alright. Right, knocky knocky. Hey buddy, how you doing? You good? Come on in. Boom 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 boom. Oh, he's like, shit, where did that guy go? Where did he go? Where did he go? I'll tell you where I went, you little prick. Down here. Knock knock. Who could it be? Me, motherfucker! I'm killing you now! You were dead, and that's all there is to say about that. Diddly 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 diddly. Turn the lights off. Take that, you little bitch. Oh man, we are killing up some fools today. Okay. So if we wait for him to look the other way. Turn the lights off like a crazy fool. Boop, 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 boop. We have no rounds left. How do I change weapon like that? That makes perfect sense. Now we go into the loo. Why not? Boo. Back into our car. Noisy neighbour dealt with. This game is fucking awesome. Back to the Zombie Kings. We're working our way up the ladders, I guess. Fuck me, there's loads of the bastards. Alright. Let me back. Just do my thing. Thank you. Let me fail repeatedly, thank you. Oh god, is that a hammer? Where can we go? Into the bathroom, eh? Sneaky. Come on in, you little bitch. Boom, 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 boom! Alright, he dead. He dead. Right, we can go like turn the lights off and stuff, can we? Can we also do some of this crack cocaine? Yeah, baby. Crack cocaine achieved. Fucking die, you prick. Oh shit. Oh no, come on, I was bare close to hitting that guy in the face, but I didn't. Right, we figured out we need to kill Big Boy first. So come here. You can die now. I'm sorry, Big Boy. You're dead. Okay. I keep remembering. Oh, fucking hell, mate. Cassette tape unlocked. Oh, fuck off! Alright. Okay, so that's the way this is going to be, is it? Fine. I got an itchy nose. That means I'm going to win. Normally when I get an itchy nose, it means I'm going to win. Okay? Okay. Boom! You get slapped the fuck up, my little home dog fucker. Right, come here. Yeah, your mate just fell out the fucking door. What are you going to do about that, you little prick? Fucking right, nothing, you little bitch. You got fucked up. Woohoo! 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 You're gonna get in the fridge. Is that your grand motherfucking plan, son? Yeah, you're dead, aren't you? You little fucking dick. Ow! Ow! Oh shit! I thought my numbers were up there, boy. I thought it was fucked. Oh shit! We actually got his attention. Just your attention for once. No. Come on, buddy. Oh, you little shit. Come on. Hello. Beep, beepity beep. Sniff some of this. Oh, we do have a fucking gun, don't we, actually? We could use it for once. I just kind of like using this hammer, if I'm honest. Right. Now I've set these fuckers on alert status. Perhaps we can fucking distract a little bit. Come on, come up. Well, that fucking nailed him. Come on. Come up here, you little prick. You sack of shit. Yes. Come on. Yes. Yes! One more! One more! Oh, come on. Oh shit, I didn't know you could do that. Just down to hammer now. Come on, come back up here. Woo! Oh, don't take cover, you little pussy. Come on, don't be such a little bitch, man. Come up here and fight like a fucking man! Alright, we did it! We fucking did it! That took me a little while, I'll be honest with you guys. That was a nice bit of editing there from me. Turn those lights on the way out. Thank fuck for that. Oh my god, we did it! Like a champion! Like a champion! We flew through the sky like an asshole! Something like that, anyway. Awkward. I think we'll leave that there for now. Man, this game is really fun, really cool. Going to be playing this the whole way through, just to let you guys know. I'm going to be playing the shit out of this game on the channel. So, hopefully you guys are enjoying this just as much as me. Please show your support with a like button, hit pook. Takes 2 seconds, guys, to show that you enjoyed what you saw, and I would appreciate it hugely. So, if you're new to the channel, subscribe too, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Oh, hey there. It's DeadBolt here. I'm going to break the ultimate fourth wall and I'm going to play my own game. So, if you're not subscribed already, then you probably should, because otherwise I, might come for you. Might kill you. I won't kill you. Even think about before. Silver ore, motherfucker got some silver. Oh, I'm so happy. I can get the hell out of this. Motherfucking get out of it, you little shit. Fucking hell. Actually shit myself.